Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. Today's video is a very simple DIY hair growth recipe that is going to benefit you a lot. You just need to pay attention and follow all the instructions. These are bay leaves. You can use the dry bay leaves or the fresh ones. Bay leaves are really great when it comes to hair growth and also hair care. Bay leaves has been one of my favorite natural ingredients ever since I started my hair growth journey. Bay leaves has vitamins and minerals that can nourish your scalp and also help promote new healthy hair growth. When you add bay leaf to your hair care routine, it will nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair follicles to prevent hair breakages. Did you know you could use bay leaf to condition your hair? When you use bay leaf as a hair conditioner, it is going to prevent hair breakages and also improve the texture of your hair. So it's very important to wash your bay leaves, especially if you are using the fresh bay leaves, before starting with your recipe. You don't want any impurities, dirt, bacteria on these leaves. Usually I wash it twice before starting with a recipe. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So one good thing about this recipe is you do not even need any specific measurement. Usually when I prepare this recipe, I don't use any specific measurement. I just take a handful of some bay leaves, put them in a pot like so, and I top it up with water. So I allowed my bay leaf to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I turn off the stove and allow it to even infuse more with the water. When this cools down, I am going to strain it. One thing I love about this DIY hair growth recipe is it is very affordable. Bay leaves are easy to find at any grocery stores, and when you make it and you are consistent with the use, you're definitely going to see result. At this point, I'm going to add any carrier oil of my choice. Today, I chose to use grapeseed oil. Just from the bottle, you see that grapeseed oil has omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, as well as vitamin E. All these are very important when it comes to hair growth and preventing hair breakages. I only added about a tablespoon of my grapeseed oil. You can choose to use olive oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, just to mention a few. Any plant-based oil that works for your hair is great for this recipe. This is a pack of my essential oils. Just to let you know that you can use any essential oil of your choice. In this pack, I have peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and others. I decided to use rosemary essential oil today. Adding essential oils to your DIY recipes do not only improve the smell of any DIY recipe, but also it adds some benefit to these DIY recipes. Rosemary essential oil, for instance, will improve blood circulation in your scalp and also help stimulate new healthy hair growth. I also added vitamin E oil. Those capsules were vitamin E oil capsules. You can add one of those. It is also going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakages. After adding everything, you give it a good stir and it is time to transfer it into your spray bottle. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given it a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. At this point, my DIY hair growth spray is ready. Very simple to make, right? Once you have it like so, you're going to apply this on your scalp as well as on your hair strands. Massage it in with your fingers. Then after that, leave it in. You are going to follow with a leave-in conditioner or a hair moisturizer. Repeat this every other day or whenever your hair feels dry and be consistent with the use for faster results.